Here's a nice specimen of boulder opal from central Queensland. I don't know which field this came from. Rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. It's been sawn on the back to it sits flat, so the face, in this case, faces upwards. It will sit that way with this being the base, so it slightly leans backwards a little tiny bit, but some nice bands of colour in here. Fire. Pity it's not A grade. Otherwise it'd be worth a lot more, wouldn't it? Something like this you could spend the time and polish it, I think. As a specimen, I wouldn't try to, although you could cut it out if you really want to and make a couple of stones, 3 or 4 stones there. But I think it's nice the way it is. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.